How you doing, guys? I hope you are well. Long time no see. I'm getting fit. I'm getting healthy. I'm eating right. I feel good. So what we're going to be doing today, what I'm going to be doing is a pork chop. A beautiful, simple pork chop. But the star of the dish is the marinade. It's a simple marinade, but it's so delicious. It's packed full of flavour. And I'm going to do some turnip mash. But unfortunately, I did burn the edges of the pork. I mean, it's okay. It's just a bit of a fat. But I burnt the edges, but it was still good. It turned out delicious. And also, the marinade can create a fantastic sauce. It creates a fantastic sauce at the end. And optional, I did some pickled carrots, which goes so well with pork. It's unbelievable. All the amounts are down below if you want to make it. So click on the subscribe button, click that bell. There's some fantastic recipes. Right, I've got a new knife. And I'm pretty excited about it, and I've been wanting one of these for a while. This is not an ad, but it's a brilliant knife. I love it, and I'm going to show you. I'm going to show you this knife because it's a dream. Anyway, enjoy. Today I'm going to be cooking a tasty pork chop with a delicious marinade and some mashed turnip. For the marinade, add mustard to a bowl, followed by onion powder, garlic powder, smoked paprika, balsamic vinegar, horseradish cream, honey, and water. Mix well. Add a few stalks of oregano, followed by the pork. Wrap and place in the fridge for 1 hour. For the turnips, top and tail, peel and cut into quarters. Add to salted water, bring to a boil and cook until tender. Drain and mash. Add horseradish, Greek yogurt, season to taste, and at the end add some green onions. Stir, cover and keep warm. Next, in a hot pan, add the pork and brown on each side. Add some of the marinade. This will create a delicious sauce at the end. Now place in the oven and cook. When cooked, take out and rest. So there you have it. Simple to make, healthy and delicious. Thanks guys. Remember to click subscribe and click that bell. Plus there's plenty delicious pork dishes on this channel.